Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I am back today with a craft with me video and we are going to make together these mini and vellum envelopes embellishments. So I used the Sunny Days collection, some die cuts, some glitter just for the top edge, some crepe paper ruffles, some scraps of paper, and some stickers, ephemeras, sequins, and I made this one with a little card. Okay, so let's jump right on it. So I will just put this on the side. So first we will make our envelopes. So you will need a piece of vellum paper that measures 2 3/8 yes, 2 3/8 by 2 3/8, and we're gonna make an envelope for a size card 1 by 1.5, and we are going to need to score at 1.3/8. So here we go. So you place your envelope and you score, and the next one you will just need to follow the score line and align it here. Score. Here we go. So, oh, it got ripped. It's okay. So careful with the vellum because it's very sensitive, so you wanna score it very gently before you push, and you don't even need to push too hard. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna snip off this part. Just make sure you align these with this, but it's okay, you don't need to worry too much if it's not perfect, because we are going to embellish here, so it's okay. So I'm just gonna use some wet glue. I use the Tombow all the time. Just some wet glue here, and I'm gonna press it gently. Here we go. I'm gonna round the corner. And we're done with the envelope punch board. Next step, I want to add my glitter now, and I'm gonna leave it to dry. So what I did is that I matched the glitter, and this glitter I got it on Aliexpress. I showed it to you in my previous haul that I just posted, and you will need to add your glitter first. And what I did is that I matched the glitter with the ruffled crepe paper that I'm gonna put underneath. So here I did mint. So for this one, I'm gonna go again with the mint. So I'm gonna use the mint glitter. So the way I do it is that I put just a little bit of glue on the edge here. Don't want to put too much. Here we go. And I'm gonna add my glitter. Just like so, and then I'm gonna dip it here with whatever I have. we're done. I mean, done for the glitter part. So, oh, okay, I made a mess, that's fine. So I'm just gonna leave my envelope here to dry, and I'm gonna start building my my cluster. So I'm gonna use the mint one. So what I do is that I cut a little bit more than what I need, so that I can fold it over and make sure my thread, because I did the ruffles with my sewing machine, so I just want to make sure that my thread doesn't come off. So here we go. Now that I have the measurements, so my paper is folded in half, and now I can add a piece of foam tape, and this one is the thin one because I don't want to go too crazy on the dimension, because it's such a small embellishment, so I don't want to like put too much dimension. So just the thin foam tape is fine. And now I'm gonna choose, I mean my well, this one will go here, so I'm gonna choose what I want. Here's my stickers. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a little bit big, but it's okay, it will fit. Too much green maybe. Okay, I'm gonna add another small piece of maybe just regular tape. I don't know if the wet glue will work with this, so I'm just gonna go with some regular double-sided tape. I have glitter everywhere. Is not straight. So these little cameras, I just cut them from the 6x8 paper pad. From the 6x8 paper pad. So now I'm almost done. I'm gonna add some gold thread. Here it is. Not too much, just a little bit, and I'm gonna add it here on the back. Just kind of peeking a little bit. So here we go. I'm just gonna leave that here to the side, and I'm gonna adhere my die cut. So this is the some dies that I got on Aliexpress a long time ago, the scribbled circles, and I use them a lot for the layering. I think they're super cute. So I'm just gonna add it here on the side. And we're gonna add our embellishment cluster just like so. There we go. Now you can add or not the card, but since I'm just gonna show you because it's very easy. So the card, I cut a piece of paper. I just eyeballed it. I didn't like make any precise measurements. So 1.5 by 1.5, or about a square of 1.5. So I'm just gonna round the corners here, and I'm gonna add it just like so. Here we go. And for when I put a card, I add these flowers that I also got. This is from a die I got recently on Aliexpress as well. Looks like this. So I showed it in my previous haul. So I'm gonna add just a small flower. So I cut the tiny one and the second one. These are the two sizes that I used for this. Here we go. So for my card, I wanted to peek, you know, not show too much. Just wanted to peek from this side. So I'm gonna just with some wet glue. I put an enamel dot on this one, on the flowers. I don't have them on hand, but I will definitely add it later. And now I'm gonna add a small piece of double-sided tape to the back of my card. I don't need that much. I just want it to stay in place. It's not holding anything heavy, or so just this small piece is fine, is more than enough. And here we go. Here we go. And now the finishing touch, we are going to add some sequins. So maybe some pink sequins or the teal ones. I'm not sure. Let me just see. I have these pink iridescent that are very, very cute. These are from Alina, I believe. So I'm either gonna go with the pink or with the teal. So let me see. I prefer the pink one because the teal is gonna be too much like green going on. So I'm gonna add just a glue dot to the back of my sequin, and I'm gonna add 3, just randomly. Maybe one here. And another one. So I just apply the sequin, and it's very easy. The glue dots are very easy to use. And no, next one maybe here, hidden a little bit. And we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.